It's not business as usual, it's value added. It's not just an app, it's an idea that auto repair should be seamlessly connected in real time, changing the way you interact with your customers and distributors. It's about freedom. Freedom to do the things that matter most to you and your customers. It's about innovation and the ability to access contextual repair data with one click. It's a seamless environment that will save time and boost productivity. It's about offering an unparalleled experience using integrated video calling.
Hey, Ms. Collins, we completed the repairs on your car and it's ready for you to come pick up.
While giving you the time and tools to grow your business. It's about trust and transparency. It's about hearing the heartbeat of every vehicle and creating an ecosystem that connects your repair center with customers and distributors wherever they are. All on a platform designed to empower your business. It's not just an app, it's ShiftMobility's ShopLite.